Welcome back to the channel, guys. This video is odd, just like the rest of them. In today's video, it was filmed a couple of days ago, only because we filmed it and then I realised that I didn't do an intro and there's pretty much no context. Anyway, I ended up heading up the road and hanging out with Chris, Holly, Anthony, and then the next day with Chris, Holly, Anthony, and Brad, which is super cool. They're super genuine, cool people, and it's super exciting because hopefully in the next couple of months I'll be moving out with Brad and Chris, which is so sick. Because this video's got no context, I'm going to do a little voiceover and explain the things I think need explaining. At the moment we're velveting its back seats.
The concentration faces you're going to get from me, because I just stuck my tongue out, I was like... So when we pull these through, make sure you have like the head of the zip tie down as far as possible, so that way we can have it as tight as possible, otherwise it becomes a dish to pull through. You ready? Once we tighten it, there's no going back.
I don't know, I think so.
Alright. Yeah, sweet, the rest is easy, man. So you just want to tuck it and then it's just...
Around these parts.
Yeah, work our way around.
So you cut these, or are they already in there?
It was already in there, they used the metal boot. That's
yeah.
what was there, they were factory connected like that.
Oh, crazy. Cool, so now we just slowly kill the planet.
Yeah, so, yep. Don't pull them tight though. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we'll pull them tight one side at a time. So just do that so it holds it. That way we can get it like tucked as tight as possible.
Okie dokie, sounds good. I'm still so confused why there's a big chunk of your like rear firewall missing.
Yeah. Send us that thing.
Yeah.
What's this say? Best thing about these silvia batteries is you don't need voltage, do you?
Oh, no. Yes.
Oh no.
I'm out of curiosity. I'm just thinking.
Well, no one sitting in the back seats lasted all of 3 minutes.
Alright, I need new photos.
You missed the part. You have to get the whole rock.
Be gone. Ah!
Oh no.
Step back up. Oh no, there's nature in it.
Fuck. It's going so sad. You don't approve.
I don't know why I didn't just dig it into the ground like that.
Oh, genius.
Oh,
Oh, bury that into the ground.
yeah, just buried the end into the ground. This is it. You can't f*** it up.
Don't go too thick.
Oh no! It's too impatient. I crinkled it too hard.
Don't, it's too hot. Just chill out.
Good.
Yes. Beautiful.
Oh, we got the bonnet just now.
What?
We've got to put the bonnet down now.
Ah.
There we go.
That's sick. Can we please mount your bonnet up properly?
Is it a bit?
It's just not attached properly.
Oh.
They're like bolted in, but they're not tight, so it just... The non-VCT. Hey! That's way better. Next thing I want to do is I want to drill a hole so I can mount the front bar like up tight.
Cool.
So it actually look decent. And then I want to use zip ties for everything.
You got blue.
Oh no, that needs to be. There's like collagen or something, but it's
been painted.
covered in paint. Yeah, it needs to be replaced. So.
Like recently.
Easy.
Okay, it's sticking up.
Yeah, I know. But I guess, I mean, if it just breaks that tiny little section, I'm not worried.
True.
Because I've got plenty of room. I've got plenty of room on those two tabs to use more.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the purple overspray in the bonnet. In the...
Shh. What's that overspray?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, that's wicked. That looks way
Oh,
nicer.
that's like, actually.
That compared to that. Success.
Is that it? Is it all it holds in?
At the moment, yes. For now, yes. I have another screw and then a bolt as well, but I just somewhere in that container over there of a million pieces. Okay.
It's so far back now.
I'm stuck now.
It's so far back. I didn't think it was gonna be.
I fucked up. But we didn't hit anything.
Alright, well, what I want to do is I just want to test to see if I enough. Oh, yeah.
You get under the diff?
Yeah.
Ah, amazing. Please let
Damn,
me
it
out.
sounds so good.
It does sound fantastic. Smells so rich though.
Oh, this guy's actually dope.
Hello.
Alright, let's do that other. Then we're gonna adjust the handbrake and then I guess we should stop avoiding it and try and re-bleed the coolant. Squeeze it, squeak it. Oh no, you've killed it already. Are you kidding me? You got given this the other day.
Such a giant dog.
You did it. I was trying to like not go bang.
You look comfortable, Anthony. That looks so much better.
Yeah, I didn't realize how much of it was in there. Do you reckon instead of doing its cooling issue, should we lower the front end? That's got something to do with that. If this key worked, I'd be really worried.
Yeah, that's good that it didn't work.
Can you imagine if you go up to any silvia I wanted? I have the monster key. Oh, that key does. Now, I'm a bit more worried.
Uh-oh.
It means...
Do you have a key? Someone else has a key to your boot.
Oh, it's not. The little Wilvia has a key to this. Somewhere. I just want to make sure that before we, lock the boot without a key to open it from the outside, we can still
Open it from the inside?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Do it again. Alright.
Seems to be doing the thing.
It is the thing. Alright, can you do the thing? Why? Why did that happen? Oh my god. Hey, okay, cool.
I thought I heard
See
it.
over there?
You finding current on any of those wires?
No.
Well, that's positive.
I mean, I guess I can just run my own. It'd probably be a lot easier.
Do sub wires at the same time.
Maybe it's just
Episode
you.
13 or something.
Yep.
Maybe I have a few to go. I've seen up to.
Talking about Brooklyn Nine-Nine. That show is epic.
Oh yeah, now I can't read this. Why is there so much going on?
You need me to like hold something for you?
No, I've got it.
No, I'm a strong, independent woman.
Can someone get me along those wires?
If I can find them. They could be anywhere. Thank you. That's very descriptive.
She's not even blind. What the f?
Uh-oh. Do you need help?
I need another hand.
Okay. I can do this. Oh, I did the easy part then.
Was I turning it the wrong way?
No, you just had like an awkward bit.
I get a response from that fuse when the car starts, but it's a weird like negative voltage, so I assume somewhere it's just not plugged in.
Excuse me, Adam. I'm trying to see what's happening. You need to feed your doggo so I don't feel so bad eating in front of him.
He would do that if he's fed or not. That's not because he hasn't been fed. Plus, don't feel bad for him, he's had heaps of food today already.
Okay, I won't. I'll try not to. But you got such an adorable face. I also ended up going for a surf out Casuarina and got a couple of waves, and then went back to Chris's house. So here's that footage. Chris's house.
Sure. What's up?
Back is so small.
Who do you think out of the three of us told us to put it over the drain pipe? Because it wasn't it wasn't me and Chris. We're retarded. It was Xavier.
Not a good look. Oh, that was very tight, wasn't it?
No.
Do you want to do that one on the side?
Pretty sure it's
Do we need two?
Probably.
Is that one there?
That like the fastener? Are you trying to take the belt off or?
We just gotta.
against the belt. You have to push it down.
No, we gotta pull this. No, we just gotta pull this up so that it's no longer tight, and then we can pop the belt off. All right, which one am I doing?
The bottom one down there. Big old
It
fat
looks
boy.
bigger than the one.
Yeah,
Maybe
it does.
12.
I tried a 12 on the top one that looks smaller, and it was a 14.
Yeah, that's bigger than
Oh. I was wrong.
negative 12.
Negative. Odd. To me, that looks like that would wind it in and out. Like if you listen.
Oh, yeah, listen that.
You reckon that moves it?
Yeah. Good luck finding the 12 mil.
This help?
I approve. We need ratchet spanners.
I have ratchet spanners with everything but a 12.
Well, that's
Is that moving?
Harry Potter
Whoa.
I'm just kidding. I just wanted to see how triggered everyone got.
Holy shit. Kira almost Kira bought me like $30 pajamas with like Snape's head on it.
Do we take those four off and that come off so we can take the water pump off? I'm curious. Oh yeah, no, that makes sense.
Hey. Yeah, I'll hold.
Alright, so if we drop any of these, they go straight into the drain.
Oh,
I like this thing.
Yes, get one. They're like $100. Oofed. Old man.
yeah, he's so old. In his Snapchat that he was sending, did you see, like, he got into the car and he went... the old man groan.
The first thing we did at the gym, I like do it, and then we end up finishing doing it, and then I go to Brad, I'm like, oh yeah, that got my sciatic nerve, and Brad's like, it's alright, mine hurts as well, and I'm like, I don't think
You don't
realize
understand.
I'm gonna slip disc.
You're
like-
old. Yeah.
You're old.
You're old.
Just get alright, this one.
No, like push it down.
Oh, like a. Oof.
Oh.
Oh my god!
Holy shit. It's its own breaker bar.
It's so handy.
That is mad.
$100. Buy it.
Really?
Yeah, I'll do it. No, but there's a reason why. I feel like I'm gonna break something, like your tool.
Look
Nah.
at that.
You do
Yeah,
this
that's
because
about
it's your
okay.
tool.
Get them angles. Okay, we're gonna actually get them angles.
What do you think, Xavier?
I don't know.
You don't know. You think it's water pump?
I think. Yes.
Yeah.
I do agree with that.
All right. Oh, okay, we should probably All right, it's broken. The water pump. Look at it.
Why?
I was joking. I have no idea. I asked Will, how do I know if it's a broken water pump? And he goes, if one side spins and the other doesn't. And I'm like, well,
That seems very
that
fair.
seems reasonable. Yeah.
No, we're meant to take him out, Xavier.
Xavier.
It's stuck in the thingamajiggy.
Oh, it's stuck
Excuse me.
Cool.
Hey, Xavier.
Yes.
We're actually taking this one out.
Really? I thought we'd already fixed it.
No. Didn't fix it already.
Negative.
Negative. That means we have 2 remaining. Oh, no we don't. There's like... What the hell? Why is there 3 right there? That's nuts.
Hello, dog.
No, don't run away. Dog. Excuse me, dog. Eat camera. Oh, that's cute.
Because these ones I don't know if actually come.
I think. Oh, okay.
I don't know. Brad, your turn.
What do you want?
Yeah, hold the camera.
Okay. Man, I wanted to be a YouTuber for a little while there.
So did I.
Then I didn't.
We haven't talked about it, didn't we?
Did we?
You probably should have covered the whole build, hey?
Yeah.
Because now they're just like, well, that's a cool car.
Yeah,
it's-
but we
like,
can cover
it's a
the MR2 build.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a stock SR20. Cut that out.
It scares me that you like stack everything.
Yeah, what the f? Where's your little tray?
Yeah.
Over here.
Slightly cool.
Oh, God. Why don't you empty that?
There you go.
Thank you. That scares me how skinny that is and how much top we put on it.
That's fine.
We brought the magnetic thing over here to put these in it.
Hey.
Fucking magnet. Just lifts everything up.
And then please.
And whatever I dropped.
God damn it, and now it's stuck.
There's not much of a rundown going here. Should I run down on the interior? Pretty sick.
Can you do an introduction to you guys?
Oh man. Hey. Oh wait.
Hang on, I'll do the lighting.
Oh, thanks.
Professional lighting.
That is just really bright. Hey.
Oh damn, look at that lighting.
I'm Brad.
Chris.
Was that what you want? Is that good?
Sure.
Nice.
Sure, that's
I
perfect.
better be going in.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, you know it will
So,
be.
yeah.
Okay.
No, it's not the introduction. But
Oh.
we own that.
Oh yeah.
But I own it. But
I fucking.
Oh, I found a bolt.
it didn't look like that.
I didn't. Looked like. Where's the CA? There it is.
It had that.
Looked like that.
It was NA. It was
Oh,
slow.
no. Looked like this.
Interior did not. There's
Fucking buddies.
a little bit of.
Oh, okay.
Ignore the wiring. That's temporary. I think you just timed it.
I did.
That's not a good idea. Xavier, we're trying to take them off.
You
Again.
guys.
Again.
We learned that Xavier was cheap labor at an early age.
Stop telling my secret, guys.
He hasn't put enough hours into this project yet to drift it, so
true.
he's coming in now for a quick catch up. Do you know how to use 5 different extensions and sizes to get the length that you want?
No, because I have the correct tool.
You brought this.
He did bring that.
Which has helped the load.
True. I know.
We'll come off from there? Or do you have to undo all those?
There's
little
one more
ones around
bolt.
it?
No, there's just one more. That one there.
Oh, right. Gotcha. Where is it?
Should we do a fitment check?
Fitment check.
Yeah, can I?
Oh, sorry.
Can I have a light, please?
Got that.
Okay, you're doing fitment check?
Listen. Important.
Oh, that's pretty lame. I need.
Bad.
Oh, that's not great.
What's the other side like? Is it worse?
I don't know.
I thought the other side was lower. And boss part.
I think this side's a little bit closer. Oh yeah, that's a bit closer. That's a little bit better. That's pretty good. That's a bit better. Alright, we won't go to the front because that's definitely not good.
I didn't just drop things down the drain.
What did you drop?
No, I didn't. I didn't.
We ignore the front.
No, I didn't.
I'm just telling you.
Promise, I didn't.
It's skipping, hey.
Skipping.
Yeah, it's just gonna keep skipping.
I missed all of that.
Damn it! The only good part. Yeah, give him a good little look where that is that 10 mil? Is that your other 10 mil?
It's probably the other one's left.
Yeah.
Again,
The other one.
it's trying to run away.
At the bottom of my gets.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Oh,
it's behind
God.
the dash somewhere.
I'll be tortured.
You
My channel's kid friendly.
Yes, that's all bleeps.
I think this is tight. That is. That's a no go.
Wait, try again. Push harder.
That's not it. Nah, let me try. No, it's. Put her up for sale, I reckon.
What's the worst that could happen? Puncture coolant hoses and...
Yeah, be careful for the recoil.
I'm gonna need the torch on the other side. Trying to see if it's broken.
He's trying to say.
Sit down.
I don't. How am I gonna get leverage?
How is it even that cold?
This is great content. I won't put that in. You'll get in trouble.
She won't watch it, it's fine.
Okay, fair enough. That's going in then.
Have to wait like a good year and a half until we're fucking famous as.
Year and a half, you reckon? I don't think it works that way.
Optimal.
Yes. Who knows?
You
When...
might get a banger title and so everyone will click on it.
Yes.
You gain like 2K
SR
subs.
blows... No.
SR head warped.
You didn't hear it. Did you drop it down there?
The dog's gonna run away.
Oh my god.
What'd you drop?
Oh my god.
I'll keep that down.
Cool, I'll just keep guessing.
The flathead screwdriver.
Oh.
Well, that was a waste of time looking for that.
That is the smallest hammering I've ever seen.
Because I really...
So you think you'll be able to get this bolt out with $2?
He also thinks he's an engineer.
I mean, I just needed one. This was my idea here. And then, oh man, that's pretty bendy. Alright, that one's shit. Hang on. This one's a triangle.
That's a terrible ruler because
triangles
it's not
are
doing what it's not
pretty
designed for.
Man, I wish I could see. Oh well. Wish we had a torch guy. Oh, there he is. I need the hammer.
You know that's not gonna go anywhere because
He's got a hammer.
What's up? What's that? What was that? Okay. I just need to pop it in real quick. That was my thumb. Alright, that's clearly very sturdily in.
Trust me, I'm an engineer.
Trust me. Studying engineering for the past, I don't remember how long.
It's a good start.
Now, all I gotta, oh, slipped out. Damn.
You give up yet?
Really strong glue?
I was looking at the...
Like a welder?
Has anyone used a welder before? Got a welder.
Fucking actually turned.
Oh, I bent the ruler. It snapped the ruler, guys.
Wow.
Am I
I never
surprised?
thought it would happen.
oh, I failed already.
Bro, what the fuck? I don't get it. You cut. You just cut a different hole right next to it.
I can't see anything through safety glasses. There's so much fog.
You got a file?
Oh, that might be easier.
I actually do.
Dude, that ruler idea, if it worked though. Can you imagine?
Is that the only reason you liked it?
Yeah.
Giving up.
And now we call Will, and he goes, just do this. And it comes out.
Come over and undo it with his fingers.
Why?
Oh, this is so fucking dodgy.
That's a bad idea.
There's a goddamn chunk out of that wheel now as well.
Okay, we'll put the other wheel back on. It's gonna work because I can't cut it. I can put a...
Oh my lord.
It's just more Munson now.
Yeah, no, we just pulled one of the things off the CA water pump when that one's out.
That's
Yeah,
when...
Yeah, but we got to get it out. I was trying to drill it, like, I was trying to cut it this way, but I couldn't get any angle on it without destroying
drill
anything.
it with a grinder, that's where you went wrong. Drill with a grinder.
You've been enjoying watching Adam.
Oh. He's like, get the f***.
Sorry. Alright, I'm gonna hold it here and you're just gonna send.
I'm trying, man. I gotta get a good, good thing on it.
Can you get
that
to it?
in my mouth?
Goodbye, Adam. Oh, hello.
I tried to squeak it. It didn't make a noise. I was like, no.
How'd you find
Yeah. I didn't do a video outro, but it was really cool working with those guys, and that last bolt on the water pump was a complete nightmare. I haven't been to work in the last 3 days because I've been sick, and it sucks, and I'm still sick, and I'm on medication now, but fingers crossed that fixes me. Since that was filmed, Chris ended up pulling the motor out and realised that the water pump was completely shot, and it's overheated, and it's done a head gasket, so he's looking for another SR to put in it now, which absolutely sucks, and I feel so sorry for him. It sucks because when he bought the motor, it had a compression test, but I guess you never really know when you're buying someone's used motor. If you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I'm surprised you last this long to the end of the video, so thank you. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you next video.